In later cohorts, what we find is that formation for celibacy, what we call in seminaries human formation, has improved. There is some data showing correlation with reduction of abuse with better human formation. And some would argue that that formation is a critical factor distinguishing those with and without allegations against them. What does that formation look like? Right? The Jesuit priest and psychologist Sonny Manuel, who teaches at the University of San Francisco, has worked extensively with perpetuators and victims of sexual violence. He has a book called Living Celibacy, in which he talks about healthy formation. And that formation relies on not repressing sexual desires or identity, but acknowledging sexual feelings and developing healthy practices of non-sexual intimacy. In his work, he found that perceived deprivation, deepening helplessness, and unacknowledged turmoil makes one prone to sexual misconduct, looking for one's identity and healing through sexual contact. That led to boundary violations and abuse. Healthy celibacy promotes the integration of the sexual and the spiritual dimensions of a person's life. It's a lived process, a vocation, a choice made over and over again, much more challenging, much more like the process of living into fidelity in marriage. So he argues that recognizing our loneliness, the loneliness of celibates, we can turn to structuring a more supportive network at home, asking for more from friends and colleagues. These relationships of mutuality and justice are far more healthy than relationships of domination.